Yes, hi dear students, welcome back to session 15. Yes, in the previous session, we have discussed up to 19 question in a 9.3 exercise. Okay, as now today I am going to discuss the remaining questions in the same exercise. Okay, now I will start from question number 20. Yes, listen carefully. As show that the product of the corresponding term of the sequence a, ar, ar square, ar cube up to so on a into r power of n minus 1 and capital A, capital A, capital AR, capital AR square up to so on a into r power of n minus 1 forms a GP. Okay, forms a GP and find the common ratio. What is our target? Yes, find the common ratio. Yes, how can we find out the ratio? As here the given sequence a1, a2, a3 up to so on an is called as geometric progression if the ratios r is equal to a2 divided by a1. So means the second term divided by the first term. Yes or no? As the first the given data, as first write the given data and after that as product, show that the product of the corresponding term. As these two terms, the first as product, okay, as the given data first write ma, as all of write here a, ar square, ar cube, okay, up to so on a into r power of n minus 1. Clear? Is the given data. And also, what is the next step? A, capital AR, next capital AR square, next capital AR cube up to so on a into r power of n minus 1. As the product, tell me anybody, product is equal to yes, these two multiplied ma, a into a, capital E, small a into capital a into a the first term, next yes, next multiplied ma, here multiplied this one, next this one, next this one. Therefore, okay, as a into r into capital A into capital R. Okay, clear? As next step, a into r square, capital A into capital R square up to so on a into r power of n minus 1, capital A into capital R whole power of n minus 1. Okay, clear? As what is our next target? As our main target is find out the common ratio. Yes or no? As therefore r is equal to, here first consider as a1, here consider as a2, this one consider as a3. Okay, therefore the ratio is equal to common ratio r is equal to as a2 divided by a1 is equal to, tell me ma, a into r into capital R divided by a into small a. Therefore small a get cancelled, capital A get cancelled. What is the remaining way? Therefore small r into capital R. Also same here also next as your next a3 divided by a2 is not necessary ma, but also I will check it. Okay, yes, a into r square into capital A into capital R square. Okay, next divided by a into small r into capital A into capital R. Okay, a get cancelled, small a get cancelled, r one term, capital R one term, small r and capital R one term get cancelled. What is the remaining? Small r and capital R. As therefore the common ratio r is equal to, tell me anybody answer. As the ratio, common ratio is equal to r into small r. Okay, yes. Nice question ma, but question is lengthy question, answer is very easy. Okay, as the next one, the question number 21. As find the four numbers forming a geometric progression. Listen carefully, is one of the nice question. The small twist is there. Find the four numbers forming a geometric progression in which third term is greater than the first term by 9. Third term is greater than the first term by 9 and second term is greater than the fourth by 18. What is our target? as find the four numbers. Okay, listen carefully. Find the four numbers. What is our target, ma? Find out the geometric progression. First four numbers only, because it is mentioned in a question. Find the four numbers forming a geometric progression in which third term is a1, a2, a3. a3 is equal to greater than the first term by 9. So means first write given data as given. Okay, tell me what, ma? As third term a3 is equal to greater than the first term, so means a1 plus 9. Okay, so here can be done as a3 minus a1 is equal to 9. a3 is nothing but of ar square minus a is equal to 9 is calling for equation 1. Be careful, is calling for equation 1. Okay, clear? The first term, so means already you know that the geometric progression can be written as ar square, ar cube, ar power of 4 up to so on. The first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, up to so on. The third term can be done as the first, second, third, ar square. Nth term have a GP? Tell me anybody? Yeah, sure, 100%. Very good answer. As a into r power of n minus 1. Okay, as ar square minus a is equal to 9. And also next one, greater than the first term by 9 over and second term means here a first term is a1, second term is a2, third term is a3. Second term means a2 is greater than the next ma a2 is greater than the fourth by 9, fourth term, so means a4 plus 18. Okay, clear? Yes, therefore a2 means tell me, ma, a2 minus a4 is equal to 18. a2 nothing but of ar minus ar cube is equal to 18. Okay, yes, right. Next step, here by using this condition, as by using from equation 1 also, here again write, ma, again write ar minus ar cube is equal to 18. From equation 1, here what did they get common? Tell me anybody. Yes, ar square minus a na. Here r get common outside. A minus ar square is equal to 18. Okay. Yes, find out the geometric progression means ar square, ar cube up to so on. So means first find out the a, after find out the ratio. Okay, but a is also unknown, r is also unknown. First find out the a and r values, and that means first term and common ratio. Thus find out the first term and common ratio by using how can we find out? Yes, by using the given data. Okay, listen carefully. Yes, here second condition, ma, ar minus ar cube is equal to 18. Okay, so means here a2 is equal to a4 plus 18. Yes, shift it to left side, ar cube is equal to 18. Again I will write, ma, from equation 1, from 1. Here what is there? ar square minus a is equal to 9, but here a minus ar, so means obviously minus get common outside. Minus get common outside means tell me, ma, r into minus of get common outside ar square minus a is equal to 18. ar square minus a, what is the value? 9. Okay, as therefore r minus 9 is equal to 18. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja, therefore r is equal to how much? 3 minus 2. r is equal to minus 2. Yes, r is equal to minus 2, substitute in equation 1. Okay, r is equal to minus 2, substitute in equation 1. r is equal to minus 2, substitute in equation 1. Tell me, a into r square means a into 4. Minus 2 was nothing but 4 only. Therefore minus a is equal to 9. Therefore 3a is equal to obviously 9. Therefore what is the value of a? Tell me. As 3 3 is a is equal to 3. As therefore if r is equal to a is equal to 3 and r is equal to minus 2, then GP, then as geometric progression, then first 4 numbers of GP, then 4 numbers of GP, 4 numbers of GP is, tell me ma, what is A value? AR square and AR cube. Okay, what is A value? Tell me anybody. Yes, 100% right. 3. Next AR means minus 6. Okay, next AR square minus 2 whole square, nothing but 4 only. 4 3s are 12. Next minus 24. Okay, yes, therefore only for asking any more question, just for only 4 numbers. Okay, the 4 numbers 3, minus 6, minus 12 and minus 24. Okay, as first read neatly question read. Okay, as the find the 4 numbers forming a geometric progression in which third term is greater than the first term. So means A3 is equal to A1 plus 9 and second term is greater than the fourth by 18. A2 is equal to A4 plus 18. Yes, okay, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ರೀ. A2 minus A4 is equal to 18. A2 nothing but of AR, A4 nothing but of AR cube. AR cube is equal to 18. Here what is the common? R get common outside. Okay, yes, again as you write directly minus 10. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ AR square minus A, therefore minus 9. R into minus 9 is equal to 18. Therefore what is the value of R? Sure, obviously R is equal to minus 2. Substitute in equation 1. Therefore obviously I will get it. A is equal to 3. Therefore the value of A and R, substitute the as GP. 4 numbers of a GP. The GP 4 numbers of a GP are 3, 6, minus 6, 12 and minus 24. Yes, all of you listen my dear students. Yes, question number 22. Next goes to question number 22. If pth term, qth term and rth term of a GP are A, B, C respectively, yes, then prove that as A power of Q minus R, B power of R minus P and C power of P minus Q is equal to 1. The result ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ CET 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಬಟ್ PUC 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Okay, be careful ma, is very important question, especially for CET 1 mark ರೀ. PUC ನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ 3 mark question. As the first, let us consider as A and R be the let capital A and capital R be the first and common ratio, first term and common ratio, first term and common ratio respectively. Okay, respectively. Listen carefully. Here pth term means here nth term of a GP. Tell me anybody. Yes, A into R power of n minus 1. Yes or no? Respectively ma. Yes, nth term of a GP. Tell me anybody, all of you. As A n is equal to, come on guys. Sure, 100% A into R power of n minus 1. But here I will take let A and R, capital A and capital R. Therefore A into R power of n minus 1. Similarly pth term ಆದರೆ, tell me anybody. Yes, pth term of AP, qth term of AP ಅಲ್ಲ GP. Pth term, qth term and rth term. Yes, AP is equal to A into R power of P minus 1. AQ is equal to A into R power of Q minus 1 and rth term is equal to A into R power of R minus 1 only. Be careful ma. Okay, what is nth term of a GP? As all of you shout one time. Yes, 100% A into R power of n minus 1. Okay, yes, first write the given data. Pth term is equal to A, AP is equal to A. Okay, AP is equal to A. Next AQ is equal to B. Next AR is equal to C. Sure, yes, so right ma, one by one is one of the very important and also some lengthy question. Be careful. Here first AP is equal to A. Next AQ is equal to, tell me anybody. AQ is equal to B. Next AR is equal to what ma? C. Okay, nth term of an AP is equal to AN is equal to A into R power of n minus 1. But in your notes write one by one ma. First A, R be the first, capital A, capital R be the first term and common ratio respectively. the first condition, the given data, first given, okay, AP is equal to means pth term, okay, pth term is equal to A, first in your notebook, okay. Next qth term is equal to B, next rth term is equal to C, but I will write side by side, you write one by one, be careful. AP is equal to A, so means A into R power of P minus 1 is equal to A. Yes, what is our target? Tell me, anybody? A power of Q minus R, A power of Q minus R, B power of R minus P, C power of P minus Q is equal to 1. Okay. Yes. Therefore, here listen to A into R power of P minus 1 is equal to A, but here raise the power of P Q minus R, because in your target is must be A power of Q minus R there, but here right side only A is there. Therefore, as raise the power, okay, raise the power Q minus R on both sides, Q minus R. Therefore, A into R power of P minus 1 whole power of Q minus R is equal to A power of Q minus R. Okay, clear? Yes, here ma, A power of Q minus R into R power of P minus 1 into Q minus R is equal to A power of Q minus R. Okay, clear? First step clear? Yes, now multiplied as you wish, A power of Q minus R, right ma? First R into R power of multiplied, each term by term multiplied, be careful, P into Q, PQ, P into R minus PR, okay, here R, as PQ minus PR minus Q, okay, plus R minus Q plus R is equal to A power of Q minus R. He is calling for equation 1, be careful, he is calling for equation 1, yes, 100% he is calling for equation 1. Yes. Next step, okay, P term is equal to A, given, sir, is equal to A is given in your question. P term, Q term and R terms are A, B, C respectively. Similarly, as Q term means, tell me ma, A into R power of Q minus 1 is equal to B. The first Q term is equal to B. Okay, here next R term. Okay, next step note down. Listen, A into R power of Q minus 1 is equal to B na? Yes. Next, raise the power, squaring on the both side of, here raise the power of R minus P. Yes, raise the power as R minus P. Okay, because in your question, what is our target? Our target is must be A power of Q minus R is there, B power of R minus is there, and C power of P minus Q is there. Therefore, B power of R minus P as A into, as I will write directly ma, R minus P into R power of Q minus 1 into R minus P is equal to B power of R minus P. Okay, write the power. I will write here step by step. Next step I will write directly, be careful. A power of R minus P, right, first. Okay, multiplied, here dot, must be right dot. Okay, here now multiplied, each term by term multiplied, minus 1 into R, minus into minus P plus P only, be careful. Okay, here R power of QR, next minus QP, next tell me ma, minus R plus P is equal to B power of R minus P. He is calling for, tell me anybody? Yes, 100% he is calling for equation 2. Okay, he is calling for equation 2, he is calling for equation 1. Clear? Yes. Write the power of R minus P means I will write directly ma, A power of R minus P, R power of Q minus 1 into R minus P. First step ಅಲ್ಲಿ clear ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, R power of P minus 1 into Q minus R. Okay, the next step, the last step, rth term is equal to C. Rth term is equal to C means here rth term means AR is equal to C. AR is equal to C means nth term of n GP, tell me A into R power of n minus 1. But here rth term means A into R power of R minus 1 is equal to C only. As raise the power, tell me ma, what is in your target? P minus Q. Okay, yes, A into R power of R minus 1 into, I will write again, P minus Q is equal to C power of P minus Q. Okay, I will write here directly, A power of P minus Q dot product of R power of R minus 1 into P minus Q into is equal to C power of P minus Q. Okay, here A into P minus Q, here R into power. Yes, now each term by term multiplied. Okay, R into P, RP, R into Q minus RQ, minus 1 into P minus P in 1 into minus Q plus Q. That's right, RP. Okay, as next minus RQ. Okay, minus P plus Q is equal to C power of P minus Q only. Okay, as therefore he is calling for equation 3. He is calling for equation, last step ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. He is calling for equation 3. Okay, yes, clear. You observe first, Pth term means AP is equal to A, Qth term means AQ is equal to B, Rth term means AR is equal to C. AP means A into R power of P minus 1 is equal to A. Next, raise the power of Q minus R. ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ Q minus Rನ ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ರೀ. Therefore, what is your target? Our target is compulsory A power of Q minus R, B power of R minus P, C power of P minus Q is equal to 1. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪವರ್ ರೈಸ್ ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ Q minus R, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ R minus P, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ P minus Q ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮಾ. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. Okay, the next step, what is our next step? Now we have to prove that A power of Q minus R answer is there ma. What is answer from equation 1? What is the B power of R minus P answer? Tell me. Yes, A into R minus P, R power of A power of R minus P, R power of QR minus RP minus R plus P. Okay, next, and also C power of P minus Q also answer is there ma. Yes, therefore from equation 1 and 3 as multiplied equation 1, 2 and 3 is equal to, totally multiplied answer 1 ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, yes, the next step, as next step ರೀ, listen, now we have to, what is our next step? Equation 1, 2, 3 ರೀ, ನಾನು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ equation 1, 2, 3, totally equation 1, 2, 3 is multiplied, otherwise listen ರೀ. Now we have to prove that, ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Now we have to prove that A power of Q minus R, B power of R minus P, C power of P minus Q is equal to 1. Yes, now multiplied equation 1, 2, 3, or otherwise substitute the value of equation 1, 2, 3 in given LHS also. Okay, okay, yes, multiplied equation 1, 2, 3, A into Q minus R, okay, into B in power of R minus P into C power of P minus Q is equal to, okay, yes, now listen to equation 1 as it is right, into equation 2 as it is right, next equation 3 as it is right. Be careful. Okay, yes, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ನ ಸೈಡಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ರೀ. ಅಲ್ಲ, already you know that the formula A power of M into A power of N is equal to, tell me anybody, A power of M plus N. Yes or no? Listen. Yes, because A power of M into A power of N is equal to A power of M plus N. Yes or no? Sure, 100%. Similarly, here also A power of is there. Here also A power of A power is there. Here also, this one also, here also A power P minus Q is there. Therefore, obviously you multiplied first A power of M into A power of N is equal to A power of M plus N. Yes, A power of Q minus R plus, listen carefully, next R minus P, next plus P minus Q into into, yes, next ma, r power of m into r power of n into r power of o is equal to ಅಥವಾ r power of a into r power of b into r power of c is equal to r power of a plus b plus c na. Already you know the concept. Okay, yes, here r power of, listen carefully, listen, pq as it is right ma, r power of as pq as it is right, pq minus pr, okay, minus q plus r plus b, r power of b again add as plus qr minus qp, okay, minus r plus p, okay. Next plus rp minus rq minus p plus q, okay. As therefore because ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n, and also r power of a into r power of b into r power of c is equal to r power of a plus b plus c. Because listen carefully, listen here, has minus r plus r get cancel, okay, minus q plus q is also get cancel, plus p minus p also obviously get cancel, here also same get cancel, therefore r power of 0 is equal to 1. ಆ ಥರ ಇಡಬೇಡಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟು, ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಂ, pq is there ma, here pq is there, here minus qp is there, okay, get cancel, ಓಕೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಇದೆನಾ, ಎಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಆರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಇದ್ದೇರ್, ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್, ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ರೀ, ಎಸ್, ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಇದ್ದೇರ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ರೀ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ರೀ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಾ, okay, these are all get cancelled. Next listen careful, minus q plus q get cancelled. Next minus r plus r get cancelled. Next plus p, okay, next minus p get cancelled. Therefore obviously tell me a power of 0 r power of 0, therefore a power of 0 what will you tell me, yes, 100% 1, okay, 1 into 1, therefore obviously 1, therefore obviously a power of q minus r into b power of r minus p into c power of p minus q is equal to 1, okay, is equal to 1. A power of, tell me ma, a power of r minus p na, as a power of q minus r into b power of r minus p into c power of p minus q is equal to 1. It's one of the very important result also. Therefore also obviously you write hence conclusion, hence proved, okay. Be careful, it's one of the very important problem, okay. And also lengthy is very, calculation part is very easily, okay. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ 0 ಇಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್, ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1, ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2, ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 3 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಮಗೇನೋ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೈನಿಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಆರ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನರ್ಧ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ರೀ. ಇಸ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ, and also the result, one of the very important result. If pth term, qth term and rth terms are a b c, then we have to prove that. As next prove that anta kelala CET nalli, then what is the value of a power of q minus r, b power of r minus p plus into c power of p minus q is equal to what anta keltare. Therefore your answer is only 1, okay. as neat ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ a power of, ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಲು ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 0 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1, ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್, ಓಕೆ. ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ important question ರೀ. Listen carefully, question number 23. you write in your notebook in many put in many stars. In question number 23, very important, and especially for JE also 4 mark question. Okay, PUC 3 mark. PU 3 mark question, JE 4 mark question. Be careful. If the first and nth term of a GP are, first term is A, nth term is GP is B. Okay, yes, respectively, and P is the product of n terms. P is a product of n terms. What is the GP can be done as? Tell me. A, AR square, AR cube up to so on, A into R power of n minus 1. What is our target? Yes, prove that P square is equal to AB. Prove that P square is equal to AB. How can be proved? Tell me anybody. The first right you given the data. Okay. If the first term is equal to what? A, nth term is equal to B. What is the nth term of a GP? Tell me all of you. Come on guys. Yes, 100% A into R power of n minus 1. Okay. Yes, right ma? All of you write first. The first term. So means given right. Given right ma? First term A1 is equal to nothing but of A. Okay, and nth term n is equal to B. Okay, yes, by using the data, by using the given data, find out the first, find out the value of R. Okay, as an is equal to B. An is equal to B, nothing but of A into R power of n minus 1 is equal to B. Therefore, R power of n minus 1 is equal to B by A. Therefore, R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 by n minus 1. Be careful. This is one of the very important question. It's one of the very important. Be careful. First A1 is equal to A, right? N is equal to B. By using the given data, first find out the value of R. Okay. Yes. What is the next given? Yes, P is a sum of the P is a product of n terms of a GP. Okay, respectively, and P is a product of n terms of a GP, n terms. Okay, yes, P is a product of n terms. Be careful, ma. N terms. Yes, before the writer, yes, one of the note point is there, ma. Sum of the first 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on plus n is equal to result n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Yes, next yes, up to so on 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on n minus 1 is there. Therefore, obviously n replacement n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1. N minus 1 plus 1. It get cancelled. Therefore, divided by 2 is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Right note before the short right question. Of the first n natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2. N replacement n minus 1 adre. Okay. Therefore, n minus 1 n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Be careful. Here P is a product of n terms. Okay. P is a product of n terms means here P is equal to, okay, P is equal to A into AR into AR square into AR cube into up to so on, okay, up to so on A into R power of n minus 1. P is a product of n terms ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ the first rate, what is the value of A power of m into A power of n? Therefore, obviously A power of m plus n. Okay, here write here P is a product of n terms. Here also A power of 1 is there. Here also A power of 1 is there. Here also A power of n is there. Up to so on also A power of 1 is there. 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to so on plus 1. Here n terms. Okay. Here R power of 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. 1, 2 plus 3 up to so on n minus 1. Be careful. Okay. Here A up to so on n term means A power of n as it is, right? First. Here listen carefully. Sum of the first n natural number, tell me. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. But here what is there? The last term n minus 1 is there. N replacement what? N into n replacement what ma? N minus 1. Next n replacement what? N minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 get cancelled. What is the result? N into n minus 1 by 2. All of you write before start the problem. Okay, write note. Sum of the first n natural number, and next 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on, n replacement what? N minus 1. Be careful, re. Okay, as here r power of n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Here from equation 1 ma. What is the value of r? As by using from equation 1. Therefore a power of n into, what is the value of r? b by a whole power of 1 by n minus 1 into totally divided by n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Be careful, re. All of you listen. Here n minus 1 get cancelled. What is the remaining ma? A power of n into b by a whole power of n by 2. Okay, b by a whole power of n by 2. Shall I rub this? Yes, listen ma. Here p is equal to, yes or no? P is equal to, p is the product of n terms. So a power of n into b by a whole power of n by 2, nothing but of b power of n by 2 divided by a power of n by 2. Be careful, re. Here listen. A power of n into a power of minus n by 2 shifted to numerator as b power of n by 2. Listen carefully. Here you take a power of m into a power of n what ma? A power of m plus n. Similarly, listen, re. A power of n minus n by 2. Okay, here this portion is full ma. This portion is off. Fully off katadre. What is the remaining? Remaining only for off. Therefore, as 2n minus n, you take LCM. Therefore, a power of n by 2. Clear? Fully irutte. Okay, adralli off tagiri. As off remove ಮಾಡಿ. What is the remaining? In remaining off. Therefore n minus n by 2 nothing but off. Otherwise you take 2 LCM, 2n minus n divided by 2 nothing but off n by 2 only. Here b into n by 2 here. Therefore a into b whole power of, listen ma, as p is equal to a into b whole power of n by 2. Okay, what is the next step? What is our target? As now we have to prove that p square is equal to ab. Okay, so now we have to prove that p square is equal to a into b whole power of n ansute. I think alle yes ma, sorry, ab into whole power of n. Yes, now squaring on both sides ma. Now squaring on both sides. Now squaring on both sides. Yes, therefore p square is equal to ab whole power of n by 2 whole square. So means square 2 get cancelled. What is the remaining? Tell me. Yes, sure, 100% p square is equal to ab whole power of n. N's proved. It's one of the very important question ma. 3 mark question compulsory. 3 mark question. This step is very important. Okay, up to n term ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ therefore a power of n I will write directly. But ಆದರೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಾ, a power of 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n term. Therefore a power of n only. Next r power of sum of first n natural number. The result is n into n plus 1 by 2. But here note ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Here n replacement what ma? As n minus 1. Okay, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 is this one formula is important formula. Okay na? Yes, here 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on, n replacement what is there? N minus 1 is there. Therefore here n minus 1, n replacement n minus 1 put here. N minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 get cancelled. What is the remaining ma? N into n plus n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, substitute the r value, substitute here. Therefore as p is equal to a power of n by 2 into b power of n by 2. Okay, next ab whole power of n by 2. Therefore now squaring on both sides. therefore p square is equal to obviously a b into whole power of n. What is the result? Our target is as prove that p square is equal to a into b whole power of n, as therefore as ab is equal, a p square is equal to ab whole power of n. Hence proved. As the next one, the last question. Sorry already time is over. As one of the very important question. Okay, as ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗಿವನ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಎಸ್, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ಸಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವೋ ಅವ್ರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.